Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Shorthand Dictation channel. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 96. Start. Gentlemen, comma, we have been out of touch with your firm for some time through no fault of our own. Full stop. Permit us to suggest that it would be advisable and certainly more profitable for you if your salesman would call more often. Full stop. It is generally admitted by the different agents of rival firms that it is extremely difficult to keep up the sales of cotton print goods unless something is done to keep in close touch with the buyers. Full stop. It is known that your lines are as attractive as the others, comma, and you ought to have no great difficulty in proving that fact. Full stop. We know that you will regard the hint we have offered as nothing but evidence of our kind feelings for you. Full stop. Very truly yours, comma.